Okay guys, we're going to have a walk through town now. Video through town. It's not looking too bright at the moment. Not the usual sunny Benidorm today. But before we go any further, I did say the masks would go getting rid of next Saturday. This is what happens over in Spain. You get these things, and they're always true. The truth of the matter is, there's a meeting on Thursday about it. President Sanchez wants to get rid of them. I think he's getting some opposition to it. So we'll see who wins out. As soon as we know for definite, official, we'll let you know guys. We're just going to have a bit of walk through town now, see what's going on. I'll see town a little bit busier. We have seen it busy in this just about 4 o'clock in the morning, in the afternoon. You know what time of day it is even now, Marcus. So we're just going to walk down through.
It's just so good dog passing the nappy.
Is that what they're laughing at, Marcus?
Yeah, then I think there's 90% chance you got it on film.
We'll have a look at that, guys, when we wind it back. That's what Spain's about, doing things for a laugh. There are a few more shops down here, still open. You get a few tourists in, I suppose. Usually on Saturday afternoon, everything's shut, apart from the bars.
So yeah, isn't it?
We'll just be coming off siesta now, I think, Marcus, 4 o'clock. Yeah, that's the same place, that's still a fish place.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's still the same place. They seem to be doing meat dishes as well now. Very nice in there apparently. What's it called, that place? Any idea?
No.
No. More and more people now not wearing the mask. I think the police are not bothering as much now. Now it's coming to an end. So if it goes through and they don't change their mind. Well, stand to see whether your shop's open. I think it is, isn't it, Marcus?
Yeah.
Another shop being in there. A bit like pound stretchers, not everything's a euro in there. You can get some good deals in there. You can have a look in there in a minute. See the bars filling up now. Plenty of people in there. It's starting to rain. Absolutely lovely at the moment. Absolutely tips it down, and I suppose it will be. Lots more people about now.
I'm kind of blooming right by you.
Just trying to think where we can hide now for 5 minutes before the rain's off. Still a little bit short on tourists. A lot here though. Right, it's getting heavier now. Okay guys, I'm going to leave this video here. Like and subscribe. If you do subscribe, leave us a comment. And we'll know you've subscribed. I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to see more from Benidorm, watch the ones coming up in the card now. We'll see you on the next one guys. Bye.